7. And of course, supporting the arrival of Thunderbird 8, Major Frank Turner. Major Turner, who is now the narrator for the Thunderbirds, is in fact a third-generation aviator and is incredibly proud to fly by for us today and a quick flyby of the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Triple's grandfather, Lieutenant Colonel Alexander Parker Turner, in fact became one of the first African-American jet pilots back in 1956. His father, retired Colonel Brian Turner, was the first African-American F-22 Raptor pilot. Triple was inspired to fly after watching his father perform with the PACAF F-16 Viper demo team over Misawa, Japan. He went on to earn a degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Virginia, and in fact, while following in his father's footsteps, flew the same T-38 Talon his father flew decades earlier. Because he's a third-generation aviator, he earned the nickname Triple.